Screening of travellers in full swing, a collaboration between the Border Management Authority and emergency services. Authorities are trying to curb the spread of the disease.
We use to screen elevated temperatures for travellers that are coming into the country. This is a tool that we've been using for over a decade. We have been using this during the World Cup and we're still using it now. This tool, we thought it's important to also make members of the public aware that this is not a tool that is introduced to deal with Mpox as it is now, but it's a tool that is used for all diseases. However, Mpox is one of those illnesses that will have elevated temperatures.
Mpumalanga is a gateway to Mozambique and the Kingdom of Eswatini. Hundreds of tourists are being cleared at the Lebombo Border Post with Mozambique daily. But tourists are not complaining about the additional travelling time at the border. I am in the queue to have my passport stamped as I am going to South Africa. I don't know anything about this disease and it's my first time I hear of it.
Tests conducted by the borders, I think it's a very good thing. That is to do precautions for people, test the people.
Mpumalanga Health MEC Sasekani Manzini is confident of the province's state of readiness to deal with the Mpox disease.
The department, we are ready for the Mpox, and indeed we have gathered a lot of experience during COVID-19 in terms of how do we respond, and those teams in terms of tracking patients, in terms of training our healthcare workers, in terms of working with your NICD, your NHLS, in terms of making sure that the specimens are transported as and when there is a case that we're suspecting. Of course, we're using our primary health care, which is our clinics, in terms of educating our people, our teams in terms of your Cheka Impilo outreach programs that are there.
Thus far, no traveller has tested positive to the Mpox at the Lebombo port of entry. Ndlandla Jele, SABC News, Lebombo Border Post, Mpumalanga.